Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how to build strong muscles and keep them growing? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down the science of muscle growth and sharing some tips and tricks to help you on your fitness journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, there's always something new to learn. So let's start with the basics. Understanding how your muscles work is the first step to making them stronger. When you decide to lift that heavy weight or even just open a door, your brain sends a signal to your muscles through motor neurons. This communication is crucial for any movement you make. This causes your muscles to contract and relax, giving you the power to move. It's a fascinating process that happens in the blink of an eye. Now let's talk about making those muscles stronger. Strength training is more than just lifting weights, it's about challenging your body in new ways. This is where progressive overload comes in. By gradually increasing the weight or resistance, you force your muscles to adapt and grow. Imagine opening a heavier door like an iron door. Your brain recruits more muscle groups, like your legs, core, and back, to handle the challenge. This is your body's way of adapting to new stress. This is how progressive overload works. By increasing the stress on your muscles, they adapt and grow stronger. It's a continuous cycle of challenge and adaptation. But what happens at the microscopic level? When you push your muscles to their limits, you create tiny damages in the muscle fibers. These micro tears are essential for growth. This might sound bad, but it's actually a good thing. Your body releases cytokines, inflammatory molecules that kickstart the repair process. This repair is what leads to muscle growth. It's like your muscles are rebuilding themselves stronger than before. Let's dive into hypertrophy and atrophy. Hypertrophy means muscle growth, while atrophy means muscle shrinkage. These are two sides of the same coin. To achieve hypertrophy, you need to consistently challenge your muscles with resistance or stress. On the other hand, inactivity leads to atrophy. This is why it's so important to stay active. Keep moving to keep growing. Regular exercise is key to maintaining muscle mass and overall health. Nutrition plays a huge role in muscle growth. What you eat can either fuel your progress or hinder it. Protein is essential, as it provides amino acids, the building blocks of muscles. Incorporating high-protein foods into your diet can make a significant difference. Hormones like testosterone and growth hormone also play a crucial role in muscle development. So remember, building strong muscles is a combination of consistent training, proper nutrition, and understanding your body's needs. Keep pushing, stay active, and you'll see the results. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay motivated, stay strong, and keep pushing forward. Together, we can achieve greatness. See you in the next video.